Today, we're going to create a bridal shower invitation that's ready to sell on Etsy. Let's start by picking one of Template's stock designs. I like this one because it already has a nice structure, and with just a few simple changes, we can turn it into something completely different. The first thing I'm doing is making the text a little smaller and removing these illustrations. I don't really need them for the look I'm going for, and clearing them out gives me a little more room to work with. And if you're brand new to this, don't worry at all. You don't need any design experience because we're not starting from scratch. Next, I'm heading over to Shapes and grabbing this one, and I'm just going to place it here in the middle and play around with the size a bit. That looks pretty good. Now I'll send it behind everything so it becomes part of the background. Already, this feels like a completely different design. I'm going to make a few small adjustments to the text so everything sits nicely inside the shape. Now let's add something decorative. I'm heading into illustrations and searching for wildflowers. There are a lot of pretty options here, but I really like this one. I'm going to drop it in and send it behind everything so it works more like a background element. Then I'll update the text color so everything still stands out nicely. At this point, I'm mostly just tweaking things, moving the flowers around a little, trying a few different positions, seeing what feels right. This is honestly a pretty normal part of the process. Sometimes spending an extra minute or two making small adjustments is what takes a design from looking okay to looking polished. I think that's looking really nice. For the final touch, I'm going to add a different color to the bride's name. It's a small change, but it gives the design a little more personality and helps draw attention to the most important part of the invitation. And that's it. We started with a stock template, made a few simple edits, and now we have a bridal shower invitation that's ready to list on Etsy. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. We'll be sharing more design makeovers, template creation ideas, and practical tips to help you create professional digital products faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.